I am Shaili, and today our secret superstar is Mrs. Oromita Roy Hallar. So, Mrs. Oromita, tell me a bit about yourself.
I am Arumita Roy Hallar. I'm a little housewife.
So, what is that secret thing that this beautiful, cute housewife does that many of us don't know and many of us would love to know?
I love to do cooking.
Okay.
I cook for my child, for my husband, for my father-in-law, mother-in-law, and after that, whenever I get time, I do some art and craft works.
Alright, so we have got to hear it from Arumita, Mrs. Arumita, that she is into art and craft. So we'll get to know what she does in this art and craft. Just tell me, from when did you start doing the arts and craft things? Was it from your childhood? When did the passion come in? Did you learn everything about it?
Actually, we had a subject in our school, SCPW. We had to do many art and craft things.
Okay.
And so I had a passion for art from that time. After I grew up, I learned drawing, and after completed my studies, I used to do small things like making a tablecloth, doing a photo frame, and all sort of things. And after that, it ended up taking it as a hobby. Now I am into it all the time. I get time. Whenever I get time, I am doing something or the other. Something like making a vase from a plastic waste bottle, doing painting on my umbrella, something of that sort. It's
That's
going on
awesome.
every day.
Very innovative. So where did you get these ideas from?
It comes
It comes naturally?
naturally.
Okay, so she's a natural artist actually. It comes naturally to her. So tell me, what are the things that you have done? Like recycling the plastic bottle. That's
Yeah,
really
recycled
nice.
Plastic bottles, making lampshades out of it, and
Making lampshades out of it. That's
Yeah.
cool. That's cool.
and making photo frames using papers.
Again, great.
Then I make some chota mota jewelry,
Okay.
cloths, and it goes on.
So
A number of things.
it just comes to your mind whatever you want to
Not
do.
really cultural. We have a vast, things around us. We see many things nowadays in social sites. So some of the ideas are from there,
Okay.
and then I make it.
Improvise it. All right. So what I want to see now is some of our works. Welcome back again, guys, and now we will see some of Mrs. Hallar's beautiful creations. So what are you going to show us first?
First, I'm going to show you a tablecloth.
Okay, please.
This is not yet complete, but
Okay.
I'm just trying to do something on it.
Let us
on a
open
white,
it.
white cloth.
This is lovely and beautiful. Everything is beautiful, not only this, the weather, so everything is complementing this beautiful artwork that she has done. And the next thing, oh,
Next
this is so
is an
useful.
umbrella.
This is absolutely for today. How did you know that it will rain today, Mrs. Haldar?
I don't know. We want rain for many days.
But it just happened today.
Happened today.
This is amazing. I want one of these, please.
Surely,
After the video, I'm not going to share anything with y'all. I just want one of these. If you want one of these, you have to contact her. I don't know whether she does it professionally or not. Do you do it professionally?
Not yet. I'm not yet doing professionally, but if someone wants, I'll really do it for her or for him. Whatever.
That's really nice of her. Okay, let me hold this, and you can show your next.
Next is an showpiece type of. This is a showpiece made with clay,
This is made with clay.
and it is on canvas board.
These are clay.
Yeah, these are clay.
This is a very unique creation. Okay.
This is a photo frame and the whole thing is with paper.
Oh my god. I must say you are actually very innovative. Seriously, I am not exaggerating a bit. It is
This is
really
to a
awesome.
photo frame. This is made by my daughter.
Oh
So
my
she
god.
sees me all day doing this sort of
Okay,
thing.
okay.
So she is also interested and she try to make something. This is also a photo frame. This is also with paper roll. These are block paintings.
Okay.
We can do this type of things on our dresses we wear. The blocks, block painting is a very this is one of those, and in ancient times, blocks were made with mud, and many techniques were used. But this is a simple form which we can do at home. We don't need any any sort of instruments or any sort of vast. We don't need anything which we can't afford or which we can't do.
Not very fancy stuff, like
This is
simple stuff.
This is
from
made
simple
ordinary with ordinary things at home. We get in the local
Oh.
markets, and
stuff. Can you just give a small brief, like how have you done it?
this is
I don't want to tell, don't tell the whole secret. No.
Surely I won't.
Yeah, so just tell a bit about it.
Actually, this was on white cloth. I used two colors to dye this cloth
Okay.
into this color, and then I made blocks with foam sheets, and then there's a process by which
So you just did it at home.
Yeah.
And it's not like using fancy stuff, it's not using very expensive stuff.
nothing of that.
So we
sort.
all can do it.
Surely.
Great. So is there anything else you want to show us?
Anything else? These are some jewelries.
Yeah, as you were talking about the
Yeah.
jewelries. Okay.
These are made earlier. It's kept and not
Very
used,
nice.
and it's like it has been reused many times, and so you can see what happened to all this. Okay.
No, this I have seen it in markets and all, you know, and like these are so nice, and these are actually sold in like honestly in some good markets.
This is
good
earrings,
ones.
and
Oh my
this is also
God.
made with clay. You might
Wow.
need 50 to 100 rupees to make such wonderful things at home, and
But
do at your own
very
convenience
affordable.
at like the designs you want, whatever.
How do I look?
Great.
I would like to know. Thank you. I would like to know from your comments how do I look, and which one should I take from her today? Should I take all? Because I'm loving all of it.
Sure.
That's great because again, as I was saying, I have seen all these things in the market, and I just thought that like you have to buy. Obviously, I knew somebody was making it, but making it at home and
Yeah,
in such a easy
whatever
way
we get
was
in
not my
market,
idea.
whatever we get in market is, these those are like not customized.
Okay. What
This
is?
you can customize by your choice.
Oh, right.
The designs you want or the way you want it to be.
Right.
You can make it on your own.
Oh my god, that's really nice. That's really nice. So this was Mrs. Arumita Halvar, and she doesn't do it professionally. But if you want any of the stuff, or if you want anything else also, I don't know, maybe you will come with many other things. Just can you share like how does my audience contact you?
You can call me on my number.
Yeah.
Okay, number is 98744 34410, and or they can contact you through me.
Okay, you can contact her through me also. You can give me, you have my email ID at the end of this video, wherein you can get in touch with me. If there is anyone out there you know has some great talent like her, I can feature that person in my show. So for that, you can just contact me in that email ID. If you have liked her work, if you want something from her, you can contact in that same email ID also. So I just want to say one last thing. Just like Samar Puri, I just want to say subscribe zarur karna.